Hey everyone, this is Jennifer and today I want to share this new palette with you. This is the Profusion Cosmetics palette and it's their Beauty Superstar palette. This palette online it's $10 and in Target, which is where I bought it, it's $9.99, which so this is a 23-piece palette. Like I said, it's 15 eyeshadows. So you have mattes and shimmers here. You have two, they consider these to be two blushes, and these do not look like blushes to me. This one looks like blush, but not this one. This is like a really gold color. This is a highlight, and then you have two contour colors right here. It also comes with a brush, a lip topper, which is very like champagne, glittery, goldish, and you have a eyeliner here. So let's get right into the video. I want to start with actually applying my foundation and concealer. I haven't applied it yet, so I'm gonna do that really quick. So really quickly, before we do the eyeshadow look we're doing today, I'm going to first bronze up my face, and I'm gonna start with the bronzer right here. And just to let you know, this does come with like a cover over it, so I'm gonna be like looking down occasionally so I can tell you the names of each one because I took the cover out. This is for the eyeshadows, but you know. So this is the cover for the highlighters, and for that color that I'm using, it's the color Brilliant Bronzer. Put that on. So that is very pigmented, which is very nice. So what I'm gonna use is the blush, so you guys can see as well. Put a little bit and then I'll like mix it together. Let me actually remove some off because it's very pink for me. So I really like how that blush is, just very little of it, not too much because it can get very harsh in my opinion. So I'm gonna take off the powder that I have under my eyes to start the eyes. To start off, I want to use this, which one is it right here? So I want to use this color right here, which is it's like a cream color and is very close to my skin color right now. So that color is called Heavenly. So the next color I want to use is this color right here at the end, and it's like a more of a caramel color, and that color is called, let me see, Outgoing. The color we're grabbing now is called Supernatural. So that color, Supernatural, looks green on the palette. Like it looks like a dark army green, but it applied very like a very bright green with like a little hint of blue. Honestly, it literally looks like water blue pretty much, so it doesn't look at all as what it looks on the palette. So I'm gonna get the blue right next to it, which is called Light Year. So I'm gonna grab the next color, which is like a darker brown, and put that around. It's called Zing. And the next color I'm gonna grab is Phoenix, and it's like a gold color, which is this one. So just to let you know, the eyeshadows don't really have a smell, they just have like a chemical-y smell. So I already applied my eyebrows, and what I'm gonna do now is show you the highlight before we actually complete the eye look. So as you guys can see right off the bat, the highlight is very subtle. It is kind of even unnoticeable in the camera, but I'm telling you, it's super natural. And actually it depends. If you put a little bit, it can be natural, but if you build it up, if you put a little bit more like I did, I grabbed a good amount, it can be, you guys can see that, I'm sure you can, it can be a little bit like more dramatic. So it just depends how you want it. I love how everything has been performing. It's very pigmented, so you pretty much got a feel of the whole thing. What I'm gonna do is I normally don't use eyeliner, so at least not on my waterline, so I'm just gonna show you really quick. This is the eyeliner that it came with, and look how like creamy it is. Like it literally glides on so fast and it smudges out. So if you want to do like a smudge eye look, can never forget that this is only $9.99. Perfect. So our look is finally complete. I have the Urban Decay lipstick, and this one is in the color 1993, which is so good. I love this collection, it's amazing. But yeah, talking about the palette now, this palette is literally my fave palette so far in this moment, just because of the pigments. I could use this palette again, and you can do so many other looks with it. I also love the like highlight and everything that it comes with. It's been really good so far, and like you guys saw it for yourself. You guys saw the pigment on it. So like I said, this is $9.99 in Target, so it's literally super affordable. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this review on this palette. If you guys have any questions, or I don't know, just maybe a request on a look using another look using this palette, I'll be totally happy to do one for you guys. So yeah, if you like this video, just leave a like on the bottom of the video, and I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again on my next video. Bye.